chara le tabu taba tatable do we chara do bao le ko dog be le ko biona.
I am delighted to see you here on the mall advocating for freedom and to get the attention of the United States government to support the freedom-loving people of Burma.
Wata kudo ma le pa plaza pei di do pa plaza di do America tu kama je fa di do ni ta ble le ko de ne bu ne.
Thank you. Thank you for standing. Thank you. We are in a new Cold War, and Burma is one of the frontline countries in this Cold War, unfortunately.
Ake weta de le khu kan no kan ta de khu o kha kha sa ro li ko ne me ko bi yo be ni ake weta de khu akho chok ta ro.
An axis of evil is formed. China, Russia, Iran, North Korea, to stifle freedom-loving people around the world, and particularly in your country.
Ake we to Russia are ba tin pa ni ati ne kha ni ati ne aku kle do ma ko ma ke di do ma ko ma ke pa di do pa ni ta ble ba mo.
We need to stand with those who love freedom, who seek it for themselves and for their own people and willing to fight for it.
To ba chera pu ko do pa ti ta pa le a we na we ta ble do chera do hi lo ta mu hi lo ta le ti ko do pa le go.
Often the first people attacked are the religious people. The religious leaders are the first ones attacked, and the religious institutions are the last ones left standing for freedom.
At kini tabu taba ni ake pa talo pa ba ta ban amma a chota ni no ito ni tabu taba lo basa ni laki kita ni tabu taba ni we pa chera ni lako to di lak ni we tabu taba lo.
We're seeing churches being attacked all throughout Burma. We need to enforce and to put into place the Burma Act that has already passed Congress and is the law of the United States.
Ake pa ba glesa do pa pa ba mnu ko le ne loko bia bu ne bia ti pa ni ake we ha chi lo bu le we tro ti pa tabu taba lo ti pa.
Welcome to Washington on this beautiful day. Let your voices be heard.
Tu lo mu ba tu le Washington ni ai do ma di do tu lu ko to ma.
Thank you. Thank you. Stand for freedom. Stand for freedom. Stand for freedom. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Thanks, Kevin. Glad we joined you.
What an amazing. That was amazing.
Double do mano, there are the Tawa, who are in the Kiki like it has said, what you do low. Welcome, message there, Dr. Kevin, the Tisona.
Okay, wait. Qua mi đổ là America này cái là qua mi đổ là có du lịch. Nên đổ là mới cho là có qua đó đi. Qua chưa? Qua.
Trump needs to know.
We have a
We just
ambassador here.
we are Tama no? Tama the Popular, aku tahu ni Aku pada kawan kita dan sebuah dah. Dunia tu nanti kau itu tak gua. Saya malu pakai nyawa tak gua ni ya. Kau dah mendawa ya. Keluar web hem belah kau tu le ya. Ya kau tu le mendawa, kau tu le kata beli kau ya. Okey, tak gua malah tu ya. Itu nyala. Temela tu dah sebut aku ubah. có cái điều đặc biệt là mình nha bahasa tidak kita tidak segitu tu malam tu tak segitu le tu pada tidak kita mati pak pelata tu nilai pak kau tak kira pak uang ini nah bukan segitu nah buat dia begini lah ini lagi ni ya aku tahu ni misi begini lah misi kuni lebih apa lagi lah aku tahu ni kita ni uang di depan mereka kau dah yang kadu lah nah kita ilah buat pasal di depan kalau kita sebab ni kerja le cila kabu le dua tua nah di depan mereka le pergi di depan tu biar boleh aku awal online pe dulu lah biar live pe dulu lah le Zoom online mereka Facebook online mereka nah uang di depan le pe kau ada ilah tidak sekedar nah itu bah itu kami kau ke awal ni upload pun berkecibat tempat tu nah tak kira uang ini nah uang ni ke Contact time with ready to what Okey, udah akan berbahasnya ada saya wala kita balik ke gini tu ada awan yang kopo, awan yang kita sudah sebut kata minyak lah, sebut ke sana kembali kita kata
kamu mampu apa tidak
ada kopo kami lah. Boleh kita kita cerita oleh kisah hewan.
Good morning, everyone. We're very honored that we're all here today, that we stand as one for freedom for our people.
Kalau tanya takut mah kecil pukul le tak ada le berapa dulu.
We stand here declaring truth, courage, and hope for our people. We can never lose hope.
Kalau bercakap tadi, di dalam kalau tamu lah tak, no maka lepas ni, dulu hikar tau.
We're here to stand with not only the Karen, but everybody, Shan Nee, Arakan, all those suffering under the hands of the brutal Burma dictatorship. In addition, I was just sharing with the ambassador about the pastor Samson, the Kachin pastor that met with President Trump in July. As you know, has been imprisoned, and he's in prison for 6 years for speaking out.
Okay.
Praying for him.
Taklah when kau kodan nak try hal lari mana nak pakai pay with siapa na? Kami apa batu lu aku ni.
Kalau wah bercakap ni,
balik tu lu aku ni ya ke hack kita ni na. Tapi ni pun hack kita ni.
Mata satu ni lah tu, do tu kenapa ni kecil